Assalamu alaikum students. I am Waqas Khan from Army Public School and College Pothwar Complex Boys, Islamabad. I am your computer science teacher. Today this is our lecture number 10, that is about computer softwares. Computer software and its types. Software. Before going to the software, we have to know about the computer programs. Computer program is a sequence of instructions for the computer. Computer instructions or data, anything that can be stored electronically is called software. More briefly, software is a set of instructions given to computer to solve a problem is called a software. Software is a single or collection of programs that performs a particular task. Software is also called program. Different softwares are used to solve different problems. There are different types of softwares. Basically, these are categorized into two types. Softwares are divided into types on the basis of their functionality. The two main types of softwares are system softwares and application softwares. So the system software. System software is a set of programs to control and manage the operation of a computer hardware. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer hardware and application program. If we think of the computer system as a layered model, the system software is the interface between the hardware and user applications. So it enables application program to execute properly. It consists of basic operations as follows: saving data on the disk, making computer to work for us, printing a document, etc. System software coordinates the activities and functions of hardware and programs. System software control operations of computer hardware, supports application program, and it has problem solving capabilities. Different types of system softwares are operating system, utility programs, and device drivers. The operating system is the best known example of system software. The operating system manages all the other programs in a computer. System software, there are different types of system softwares like BIOS, basic input output system. It is used to get the computer system started after you turn it on. The boot program loads the operating system into computer main memory. The assembler takes basic computer instruction and converts them into a pattern of bits. A device driver controls a particular type of device that is attached to your computer. So, examples of system software are operating system, utility programs, and device drivers. The first one is operating system. An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer program. The operating system is a vital component of system software in a computer system. Application programs usually require an operating system to function. So, an operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives or printers. What are the activities of operating system? Activities performed by the operating system are perform common computer hardware function. provide a user interface and input and output management, provide a degree of hardware independence, manage system memory, manage processing tasks, provide networking capability, control access to system resources, and manage files on the disks. Then utility programs. Utility program is a system software that allows a user to analyze, configure, and maintain the computer. It performs a specific task related to the management of computer. So utility program is a system application that executes a specific task, generally pertaining to maintenance or operation of the system resources. Operating system come with their own set of utility program to maintain and execute different utility functions such as formatting, compressing, scanning, exploring, and much more. Utility program also assist with the management of computer functions, resources, and files. There are different types of utility programs: system utilities, file management utilities, storage device, miscellaneous utilities. These are used to help to perform maintenance or correct problems with a computer system. Then device drivers. A device driver is a computer program that operates or controls a particular type of device that is attached to a computer, like printers, LCDs, more commonly known as a driver, device driver, or hardware driver. It is a group of files that enable one or more hardware devices to communicate with the computer's operating system. Without drivers, the computer would not be able to send and receive data correctly to hardware devices. Hardware devices that are unknown by operating system or that have features that are unknown by operating system all require drivers. After that, the application programs or application software. Application software include programs that do real work for users. Application software is created to perform specific tasks for a user. It is also known as application package. Application software is used to perform various applications on the computer. Application software is capable of dealing with users' input and helps the user to complete the task. It is also known as end user's program or only an app. According to the need of users, these are categorized into different categories like presentation software, spreadsheet software, database software, multimedia software, entertainment software, simulation softwares, word processing softwares. So these are the application softwares. You can see the examples of application softwares on your screen like MS Word, MS Excel, Lotus 123, Photoshop, etc. There are different types of application softwares like custom software. Custom software, also known as bespoke software or tailor-made softwares. It is the software that is specially developed for some specific organization or other users. It serves the needs of an individual user. Package software is a software that is ready-made and available for sale, lease, or licensed to the general public. So these are the types of softwares. The end user application software for a specific purpose. It programs for simple as well as complex tasks.